Hey, fifth grade, welcome back to another week. And we have 5 more questions to go over from our benchmark. Remember to pay attention because these questions or questions a lot like them will be on your quiz on Friday. Okay, so here we go. Question 1. The length of one edge of a cube is 3 units. What is the volume of this cube in cubic units? Okay, there are 2 things that we really need to pay attention to in this question. Sorry, I'm moving something around so I can draw. First of all, it is the word cube and the word volume. Okay, we know that when we see the word volume, and that is what it's asking for, what is the volume, we need to make sure we write our formula. That formula, you don't have to memorize it. It is in the STAR reference material. Volume equals length times width times height. The other thing we need to remember is a cube, the word cube. What is a cube? What makes it different from other objects? Obviously, this is measuring a 3D object because volume measures 3D objects. But what makes the cube special? What makes it different than maybe a rectangular prism? Remember the Rubik's Cube? So pause the video for a second and think about what's different, what makes a cube special, and then come back. Okay, what I hope you thought about and realized was that a cube has all equal measurements. Okay, so when we say that the cube has all equal measurements, then that means its length, its width, and its height will all be the same. That's why we can be given one number and find out the volume. So for this particular cube, volume is equal to 3 times 3 times 3. A lot of people got this far and did everything correctly and then told me that the answer is 9. So that is your question that you need to fill out. Why is the answer not 9? Okay, well, you can't just look at this and decide. They didn't completely solve the problem. If they would have solved the problem correctly, they would have done everything in steps, just like order of operations. It isn't a very difficult calculation problem. The mistake is not doing the work, okay? So our answer is 27. So you're going to need to explain in a full sentence why the answer is 27 and why the answer is not 9. Or what would a student have done if they got the answer 9? All right. See you on the next question.